Regulations that apply to intrastate trucks. Intrastate trucks are trucks that are operated only within California and they never go outside state lines. So these are trucks like dump trucks, garbage trucks, tow trucks, bucket trucks like Comcast, or box trucks like UPS and FedEx. These trucks are governed by the federal motor carrier safety regulations, but there are also additional regulations that apply through the state regulatory agencies within California. Some of these agencies include the California Public Utilities Commission. You have to have a permit through them to operate a truck in California. The California DMV requires that you carry an active motor carrier permit. The California Department of Public Safety is involved, and also the California Highway Patrol. It's actually the California Highway Patrol that issues the California ID numbers that you might see displayed on some of these trucks, usually on the driver's side door. And that's a good way to identify the vehicle if you need to make a complaint or anything like that. Some of the other rules that govern trucks that are driven solely within California are called the meal and rest break rules. And this basically just means that the employer is required to give their employees breaks during the workday so that they can eat, take a break, to make sure that they stay alert and well rested. The other rule in California that's a little bit different than federal regulations is called the 80-hour, 8-day rule. And this means that a truck driver cannot drive more than 80 hours in an 8-day consecutive period. And they also have to take off 10 hours before they can start a new work period. This is, again, just to make sure that the drivers are staying rested and alert. And as always, is just to prevent accidents and to promote safety. With California, trucks that are driven specifically in California and do not leave state lines, the minimum insurance requirements for liability coverage are usually between $300,000 to $1 million, depending on the type of truck and what is being transported. So if you're transporting a hazardous material or something that's more dangerous, obviously you're going to be pushing up towards the end of that spectrum towards $1 million. But baseline minimum, you're going to be looking at $300,000 in coverage for all of those types of trucks that I just talked about.